In this video, I will show you how to add a new user in Google Ads. To do this, simply go and open up the Google Ads dashboard, and from here you want to go to Admin, and then from there go to Access and Security. Now here you will find your users as well as managers. Now if you want to add a user, just go to Users, and then here go and click on plus. And now here to add a user, you can add their email address and can choose if and when their access expires. So you can set it to a specific date, or for example 1 year or never. They can also select the account access level, so an admin gets access to everything that you get access to if you are currently an admin. But you can also do, for example, someone that can only view reports or can view billing info and edit billing info, or just standard, which allows them to do everything except for edit users, managers and product links, and then just click send invitation, and then they will get an email where they can then go and join your Google Ads account. So that's how to invite a user to Google Ads. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.